Hello cool people, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is Math Olympiad questions. There are two questions in this video. Let's start. The first question is Mr. Raj spent 3/7 of his money on a keyboard and 1/4 of the remaining money on a game disc. If he had 6,000 rupees left, how much money Raj have at first? Read the question carefully and understand it, what they given, what we have to find it. We have to find how much money did he have at first. Let's see how to solve this problem. Let the total amount of money Mr. Raj had initially be x rupees. He spent 3/7 of his money on a keyboard. Money spent 3/7x. Remaining money equals to x minus 3/7 of x. 7x minus 3x by 7 equals to 4/7 of x. He then spent 1/4 of the remaining amount on a game disc. Money spent equals to 1/4 multiplied by 4/7x. 4 will get cancelled. 1/7 of x. Remaining money equals to 4/7 of x minus 1/7 of x. 4 minus 1 is 3. 3/7 of x. He had 6,000 rupees left. So 3/7 of x equals to 6,000. X equals to 6,000 multiplied by 7/3. 3 ones are 3. 3 2,000 are 6,000. 2,000 multiplied by 7 equals to 14,000. X equals to 14,000 rupees. Now we are going to verify whether we got correct answer or not. Initial money equals to 14,000 rupees. Spent on keyboard is 3/7 multiplied by 14,000. 7 1 ja 7, 7 2,000 ja 14,000. 3 multiplied by 2,000 equals to 6,000. Remaining money equals to 8,000 rupees. Spent on game disc 1/4 multiplied by 8,000. 4 1 ja 4, 4 2,000 ja 8,000. 2,000 rupees. Final remaining money is 6,000 rupees. So Raj had 14,000 rupees. For a clear understanding, let's review the full solution again. Take a few seconds to go through the entire video and see how I solve this math problem. The second question is, the sum of two numbers a and b is 1525. If the value of a is 4 times the value of b, find the value of a. The given sum of two numbers a and b is 1525 and the value a is 4 times the value of b. Find the value of a. The sum of two numbers a and b is 1525. So a plus b equals to 1525 and a equals to 4 times the value of b. So a equals to 4b. 4b plus b. A value is 4b. Substitute in a place. 4b plus b equals to 5b equals to 1525. b equals to 1525 divided by 5. 5 1 ja 5, 5 305 ja 1525. So b equals to 305. A equals to 4b. In b place we have to substitute 305. A equals to 4 multiplied by 305. 305 multiplied by 4 equals to 1220. If you have any doubts regarding these two problems, please ask me in the comment section. Thank you for watching. If you like my video, please subscribe my channel for more videos.